Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up SMTP in WordPress using the Fluent SMTP plugin. If your WordPress emails are not being delivered, this tutorial will help you fix that by properly configuring SMTP. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugin. And here you can search for Fluent SMTP. Once you find it, click on Install Now. And then activate. After the activation, you will see this option to configure Fluent SMTP. So let's click on this. And you will find here multiple email providers. So you can choose the one that you need. For now, we will go to this other SMTP. Let's click on this one. And you can have the details here. So let's create an email. This is my hosting account, and I will create my email from here. Alright, so let's just create. We just name this as no reply and enter the password that you need. Now we will go to this recommended apps and see this server settings. Alright, so these are the settings that we have. What we will do is that we will click on this. We will enter our email that we have just created. So this was LearnWeb Academy. Okay, so let's just name this as LearnWeb Academy, and it is asking us for SMTP host. So this is our SMTP host. This is copy and paste it, and this is our port. So we just paste that and click on SSL. Now we have to enter the username and the password. The username will be same as this one, and the password we will use that that you just that you just created basically. So this, so let's click on save. Now let's test an email here. Let's click on send test email. Seems like we have not set up this correctly. Maybe something is wrong here. Maybe my password was not correct. Let me change that first. Now let's test this. Okay, so this is working. Let's go to our Gmail and see if we have received the email or not. Yes, we have received the email. As you can see the time, and this is the title, and this is the email from where we have received this email, and this is to the email that we have just entered there. And yeah, you will have all these. This is security of TLS, and yeah, this is coming in the primary section of our mail. So yeah, it is how you can set up SMTP and receive your emails in primary folder, not in spam. Alright, so I hope this video was useful to you, and you know how to successfully set up an SMTP using this plugin in WordPress. Now your emails will be reliably delivered without any issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tutorials like this. See you in the next video.